Hello guys, I welcome everyone to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the new fidget spinner, which is just a trend in these days. Many YouTubers have done such a kind of videos with hand spinners. So I thought let's try it and show it to our viewers. So this is the new fidget spinner, as you can see. I have bought it from Amazon.in for just Rs 163, which is a very low price for this thing. This costs around from 500 to around 40,000, 50,000, but the material it is from built of. It may be gold plated or diamond, so the cost depends on it. So now let's just unbox it. So the package is just a clean one. It looks nice. It hand speed are written on it, and it is written work, class and home. Can anyone tell me what does this mean? This means that we can use this spinner anywhere while doing our work, or we are in class, or we are in home. So this is made in China, and this is the transparent view of it. So let's just unbox it. After unboxing it, I get a red color one. So this looks very cute over here. There is the ceramic ball bearing inside it, and these are the metal rings which makes it very heavy. So it spins very well over here. Let me once just try it. And boom! It is there. It's spinning like awesome. So let's spin it over a tabletop. So this is a fidget spinner, as I told you. It looks very cute. This is all for today. This is just awesome. I recommend all of you to check this out once. Thanks.